This is question 38 on the foundation non-calculator paper. I've had to zoom out quite a bit on this question so we could see the whole question, but I'll move it up as we read through it. It says, here is a map. The map shows two towns, Burford and Hightown. So there's Burford, there's Hightown, and there's also a scale down here. 1 centimeter represents 10 kilometers. So that's going to be useful as we go along through this question. A company is going to build a warehouse. The warehouse will be less than 30 kilometers from Burford and less than 50 kilometers from Hightown. Shade the region on the map where the company can build the warehouse. So, okay, I'm going to move this up a bit. In fact, I'll zoom out on it. Okay, so that's better. We can see a lot more of the question here. Now, they said to shade in the region where the company can build the warehouse. So shade in the region where the company could build the warehouse. How am I going to do this? Well, this question is on loci, and you need a pair of compasses for this and to use your ruler. Okay, so remember, in this question it said that the one of the warehouses is going to be less than 30 kilometers from Burford. Now the scale is 10 kilometers is 1 centimeter. So 30 kilometers is going to stand for 3 centimeters, and that's what I'm going to measure on my compass. Now make sure you're really careful with this as you go along. So that there, you can see that better. Yep, that there is exactly 3 centimeters, and the warehouse could be anywhere, right? But it has to be less than 3 kilometers from Burford. Now, there's my circle there to show that anywhere inside of that circle they can have the warehouse. Now, what about Hightown? Well, it says that it needs to be less than 50 kilometers from Hightown. So that means that going back to my ruler and compass, I need to measure 5 centimeters here. Okay, so I've done that, spot on, 5 centimeters. And now I need to do exactly the same and draw a circle around Hightown to show everywhere inside of which they can have their warehouse. And here it is. So everywhere inside of this large circle is less than 50 kilometers from Hightown. Now where can I have the warehouse? The warehouse is going to be in the area or the region that's overlapped by them both. Now I'm not going to waste time coloring in all of this. I'm just going to shade in using this, right, the region between the two. And you need to shade in the complete region, right? Don't just put a squiggle in there. At the same time, don't waste 2 or 3 minutes trying to color in the whole thing. Yeah, you're not going to get any extra marks for that. Okay, this is a question on loci, and it's actually become quite popular in recent years. So make sure you understand it, and make sure you can do it yourself if you get one like it.